Hello Kootenai County residents, firefighter Tony Blasek, and I am coming to you from my own personal home. I wanted to take a minute to talk to you about your smoke alarms and how often to test them and how often to change the batteries, basic maintenance for your smoke alarms. If you have a student in the schools, you will probably be hearing from them in the very near future because I sent them home with some homework to check the smoke alarms. And I wanted to provide a video to quickly go through how to do this. First off, we need to talk about how often to change your batteries. The NFPA suggests 2 times a year. If you change your clocks, you change your batteries is what we teach in the schools. So we're coming up on one of those times here in the fall. So if you change your clocks, go ahead and change your batteries. Now, I'm going to bring you over here and show you my smoke alarms. And if your smoke alarm has a battery place, some place to put in batteries, whether they're 9 volts or AA's, you have to change the batteries. And like I said, if you change your clocks, you change your batteries. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take out the battery and replace it with a new battery. Once you've replaced it with a new battery, it's a good idea to write down on the smoke alarm when that battery has been replaced. So the last time I changed mine was in May of 2020. So I'm going to remove that sticker. I'm going to put a new sticker on and go ahead and write on here the last time I changed the battery is October of 2020. Now, the other thing we need to talk about is the expiration date of your smoke alarms. Smoke alarms are only good for 10 years. So most people don't know that smoke alarms actually expire. Well, how do you find out when your smoke alarm was manufactured? If you look on the back of your smoke alarm, so you have to take it off the ceiling, you look on the back and there's a manufacture date listed there. Now, if you want to have to avoid taking your smoke alarm off the ceiling all the time, you can actually go ahead with your marker and write on expires. Mine's going to expire in April of 2022. Okay, that way I don't have to take this off the ceiling every single time. Now, some question comes into play, and I've seen it on the students' homework. What about wires? I don't have to change the batteries. Mine is hardwired. That is incorrect. One of the first things that's going to go out in a structure fire is the electricity. Now, if this goes out and you haven't changed your batteries, your smoke alarms are going to be no good to you. So you got to make sure, even if it's hardwired, if there's a place for you to change the batteries, you need to change it. The purpose of this wiring is to interconnect all the smoke alarms in your home. Now, getting it back up there sometimes is a trick. The purpose of those wires, like I said, is to interconnect the smoke alarms in the rest of your house. If one smoke alarm goes off, they all go off. It is not for power. It does power your smoke alarm, but like I said, if there's a structure fire at your house, one of the first things that goes out is the electricity. So go through all your smoke alarms. You should have a smoke alarm on every level of your home, inside each sleeping area, and just outside each sleeping area. Take some time, check all your smoke alarms. Thank you for your time.